Hello guys, today I will be talking about the important diagrams of neuroanatomy. So moving on with the chapter, that is the spinal cord. The various important diagrams are nerve cell groups in the gray column of the spinal cord, lamina of Rex and related nuclear group, transfer section of spinal cord showing various tracts is the most important question, and pathway of fasciculus, gracilis and cuneatus is also important. However, pathways of all other tracts is also important. Moving on with the chapter brainstem, all the diagrams that I have mentioned here are very important, and one or two diagrams are surely going to be asked in the examination. The various diagrams that are asked are transfer section to the lower closed part of medulla oblongata at the level of pyramidal decussation, transfer section at the level of sensory decussation, at the level of olives, transfer section through the lower part of pons, transfer section through upper part of pons, transfer section at the level of inferior colliculus, transfer section at the level of superior colliculus, as well as the main connections of red nucleus. All these diagrams are important. Now the chapter nuclei, functional components of the cranial nerve. From this chapter, the important questions are functional column of gray matter in the brainstem is important, course of all the cranial nerves, and the most important one is the cranial nerve 3 can be asked. Moving on with the chapter cerebellum and the diencephalon. Various subdivisions of cerebellum is not that important. Peduncle of folliculus is also not important. Structure of cerebral cortex is very important. Cerebellum showing various intracerebellar nuclei is also important. Rhomboid fossa is the most important one. Thalamic nuclei is also important. Third ventricle is also the most important question. Now, important diagrams from other chapters that can be asked are circle of Willis is the most important. Arteries on the inferior, infromedial, supralateral aspect of the cerebral hemisphere is also an important question. Thank you.